Welcome to Villa Joseph Marie's Open House. My name is William Leahy, and I am the father of Emily Leahy, a junior at school. And I've been asked to speak with all of you about our experience at Villa over the past 3 years. So let me begin by telling you a little bit about our family. My wife is a public school teacher here in the area, and I am a private school guidance counselor, an all-boys school also here in the Philadelphia area. So education is highly important to us, as it is for most of you, which is why you're shopping so sincerely for the next place in your daughter's education. And so we looked around at numerous schools, public, private, and what we were looking for was a place for our family values to continue. And as we looked at competing different all-girls schools, one of the things that stood out to us most about Villa Joseph Marie was actually the motto. Our daughter had attended Angela Assumpta Academy in Wyncote over by Montgomery County, and their motto was "For love and with love." And that was an outstanding experience where we learned the value of loving the young people as they were educated. And it was just so clear what a difference it made in our daughter's life. She's bubbly and outgoing and deeply spiritual. And so that sense of spirituality and human commitment, along with education, made a big difference in her development. And so as we looked at high schools, we wanted a school that was overwhelmingly loving and yet academically demanding. And when we saw the motto of Villa Joseph Marie, always more, always better, and always with love, we knew that that was a continuation, almost a calling from God, that her education continue in the same spirit, that spirit of love and academic demands. And so once we had selected Villa Joseph Marie, our daughter has simply blossomed. She has been a member of the Transcend program, and she has academically thrived. The teachers and the administrators have been supportive and kind, and in terms of getting involved in school, our daughter has found every avenue to blossom, mostly in the areas of spirituality and community service, where she's been a member of athletes helping athletes and the Hope-a-thon, and most importantly, campus ministry, where she joined President Kardish and many other members of the community and the young women who went to the jungles of Haiti and in the mountains served a community there who was in need. And it was hard to let go, and it was hard to watch our daughter travel to Haiti and not be in daily touch with her. But she came home deeply transformed and moved by the experience. And she was offering her love that she had received so intensely at Villa to those in need in a third world country, and made a very stark difference in her life and how she sees the world, and how grateful she is for Villa and her family and the education she's received. In terms of education, the Villa experience has been outstanding. Coming from a private all-boys school, I had strong expectations for the education that I would want my daughter to receive. And Villa has met every step of that in terms of its intensity, its kindness, its thoroughness, and the professionalism of the educators and the administrators entrusted Emily to their care. In terms of the latest development with the coronavirus, Villa has been outstanding and ahead of the curve. Watching my daughter's school and my own school, I have been exceptionally impressed by Villa Joseph Marie's response to the situation. My daughter's education hasn't missed a beat. Their learning management system was way out in front. Classes continued almost immediately as if they were in school, and she has continued to thrive. In fact, I speak to you from her learning center here in the basement, which has a full wall where she can write out all her classes. She has her daily planners on the wall, her computer center, and her books all lined up on the floor, and she just finished her day going through 4 or 5 classes where she was with her classmates and with the teachers and just being educated as if she was in school, except that she wasn't in school. And so we've been exceptionally impressed with the degree and the quality of her education during these challenging times. I guess in the end, I would sum up our experience by saying we were asking our daughter how she felt about Villa, and looking back, we were looking at colleges because she is a junior, and we were going through the college match book. And we were reflecting back over her grade school years at Angela, and we were talking about high school, and then we were looking at colleges, what would be good fit colleges. And as we went through looking at different schools that kind of were in the same spirit of Angela and the same spirit of Villa, I asked Emily, what would you rank your grade school experience from 1 to 10? And she said, oh, Dad, that was a 10. It was a great experience. I said, what would you rank Villa from 1 to a 10? And she looked right at me and said, that'd be a 14, Dad. It couldn't make a father's heart jump any harder or higher than to hear your kids say that their high school years, even with the coronavirus, has been an exceptional experience. She deeply misses her community and that they can't be in school together. She can't wait to go back for her senior year. And we as parents feel the exact same way. So as you search for schools out there, know that you're visiting a school virtually today, a school of love and for love, of high academic demands, of preparing the girls exceptionally well for college, and an experience that they'll remember for the rest of their lives. Thank you.